Hi, Georgina. Okay, I'm going to try it on my fake student. Okay, view. Alright, so where you go is you go, see, I don't know if it'll allow me to do it because I don't have grades per se. Oh, it does. Alright, so what I would do, see right here, it says you can view your grades based on what if. So if I go down here, scroll down to, you have grades in all of these, or most of them anyway. So if I go here and I click on this one, and I put in, see if it will allow that. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't have grades. Let's see. Let's try it again. But if you go to this grades and it allows you to put in, like, where is that? If it will allow, oh, there we go. Okay, and then just put 50 in here, because if the grades that you put on that spreadsheet are correct, with 5 errors or less, and that was the highest out of those 5 that I told you, I think it's 92, 94, 96, 98, and 100. Okay, what will happen is this grade, you'll see, mine went up to 50. Excuse me, that's the only one I have in there, but 50 out of 50. It will show you what your grade. Now, let's say I put 19, all right, and it shows that my grade was only 38% because I don't have grades in here. All right, or let's say your average of those 5 grades was 47. This tells me what the grade is. Okay, so I hope this helps. Good luck. This is a really big, heavy hitter. This and the test for this class. Right? Okay. Good luck. Give it a whirl.